Welcome to the iPhone Battery Repair Course. Throughout this entire course, this is Rakibul Islam will be with you. I am the founder of Tech Repair Solutions, and I have been involved in mobile phone repair for the last 3 years. In this course, I will teach you how to perform iPhone battery repair. What you will learn in this course. By the end of this course, you will have a complete understanding of iPhone battery repair. You will also learn how to use the various tools needed for iPhone battery repair. You will be trained on how to perform battery repairs for each iPhone model separately. What's included in the entire course? At the beginning of the course, we will have an introduction to iPhone batteries, where we will discuss the details of an iPhone battery. Next, we will introduce the iPhone battery repair tools. In this section, we will learn how to use the tools. After that, we will go through the complete process of iPhone battery repair. You will gain a detailed understanding of how to use each tool to complete the battery repair. The last part of the course includes battery repair examples, where different iPhone models' battery repairs will be shown. Who is this course for? This course is for those who repair mobile phones but don't know how to repair an iPhone battery. This course is also for anyone who wants to repair their own iPhone battery. This is a professional course that will provide you with career opportunities in your professional life. By the end of this course, you will acquire a new skill that can help you find a way to earn. So, why wait? Join our course now. To learn more about this course, check out the curriculum section and the preview videos.